Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the keyboard app can be changed. Some stock keyboards block custom emoji. Open Settings, go to Language and Input, then Virtual Keyboard, and select the keyboard you plan to edit. Once done, make sure permissions or full access are enabled so the app can save layouts. You want to avoid restarting later. Enabling access now prevents permission prompts mid-change. This step prepares the app to accept new emoji mappings and keeps the process smooth. Next, open the keyboard's key mapping or custom symbols section. This is where you replace characters with emoji. You will long press a target key, choose Edit or Assign, then paste or select the emoji you want. Some apps accept Unicode, others require picker selection. Once mapped, test the key in a Note app. If it doesn't show, reopen mapping and confirm the emoji code. Make sure to save or export the profile so your new keypad emoji stays after updates or reinstalls. Finally, test the new emoji across messaging and Note apps to ensure consistent rendering. Fonts differ between apps, so verify appearance. If the mapping did not apply, clear the keyboard cache, reboot, or reinstall the keyboard app. This forces the system to reload your saved profile. If conflicts persist, switch temporarily to the system keyboard or a known compatible app, then reapply mappings. Tip: if an emoji appears as a square, choose a different variant or ensure your device font supports that glyph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.